Okay guys, welcome to a demonstration of the wonderful buy sell magic trading system. This is a complete trading system that anyone as a trader, if you have it, like your trading problems are basically gone. At least if you're confused about when to enter the market, when to exit the market, the best places to enter for profitable trade positions, this trading system solves all your problem. It's a complete trading system based on the no nonsense forex trading algorithm, manual trading algorithm. So what this means is that this is a trading algorithm to help you enter the best trades, and is built on the best non-repainting indicators, custom indicators, to help you choose the perfect trades for you, perfect profitable trades for you. And I'll just use this video to explain how to use the trading system so you understand perfectly how to use the trading system. Like I said, this is just to help you get the best entries so you don't have to spend a lot of time doing your analysis. So this is the buy sell magic trading system. As you can see, it's comprised of about four indicators. You have the one, you have two, you have three, and then you have four. For intellectual property purposes, I won't be exposing the name of these indicators, obviously. But once you make a purchase, you get everything, and everything would look like this once you install it. You also have your template, like it comes as a template. So once you purchase the buy sell magic trading system, you get the indicators and you get the templates as well, so that you can use. Once you load the template, everything comes out like this. The purchase also comes with a PDF manual. This is just a video to help guide you on how to use it. I know some of you might be confused after reading the PDF, so this is just to help guide you on how to use it properly. Okay, so you also have you can use this view, which is a micro view. Or you can also, and for those of you who like to see the broad picture of the market, you can also zoom out. Either ways, it's fine. I prefer to zoom out to use it, but for beginners who like to zoom in, I can use this like this for you. So there's four indicators here. There's the entry indicator. So this is comprised of one entry indicator, then three confirmation indicators to help you. This confirmation indicator also doubles as a form of volume indicator as well. So one entry indicator to tell you when to enter the market for either a buy or a sell. Two confirmation indicators to confirm to you who's in charge of the trend, whether buyers or sellers. And then the last confirmation indicator to help confirm the volume and tell you when it's good enough to enter. So we want to enter a trade based on confluence when everybody agrees. You know the principle of trading, you don't trade based on any one indicator, you trade on confluence. That's when everyone agrees for a buy or for a sell. So the entry indicator, our first entry indicator, as you can see, which is this orange dot here, it signals a sell, while the green counter, that both one indicator, that same indicator, while this signals for a buy. Then the second indicator, which is this indicator right here, when it crosses for when it crosses it's also color coded to help you. When it crosses for red, when it crosses and it's red, it signals for a sell. And when it crosses green, like here, like here, like here, it signals for a buy. Then the last not the last, the third indicator, which is this one, also similar to this, when it crosses for a red, you want to enter for a sell, it means the sellers are in charge. When it crosses green for a buy, it means that the buyers are in charge. Then the last indicator, which is my favorite and a not very popular, because a lot of people don't know how to use it, but this indicator right here, the Williams percentile, comes by default. Once the oscillator enters this upper 20 region, it's a confirmation for a buy. And when it's in the lower 80 region, is a sell confirmation. When it's in the middle, it means the market does not have any clear direction and you shouldn't do anything. This is a live chart, as you can see. So there's not much trades to take now, but it means you shouldn't do anything at the moment. So how do we use this? We use this when all the indicators are in agreement for a buy. What it means is that you want to wait for you want to wait to have a green dot, which is a sign for a buy. You want this indicator to be green. Of course, you want the second indicator to be green, and you want the oscillator, the Williams R oscillator, to be in the 20 region. Now, once this happens, at this point where all of them are in confluence, you take a trade for a buy. Remember, you want to be entering your trades at the beginning of the next candle. So depending on the time frame you want to trade, you trade based on you want to enter once that candle is starting. So I prefer trading the 4 hours. So I usually like to check my charts every 4 hours when the new candle will form. So when there's a signal like this, I enter. And if you are taking this trade, sorry, let me reload this template. BuySell Magic. So if you are taking this trade right here, you would have gotten 80 pips, almost 190 something pips in profit as well. You've gotten about 90 something pips in profit, and then when the signal changed, like, it's a trend following system. So as soon as it's a change in trend, you'd have seen it. And if you had entered here for itself, although this market was not steady, but even if you had entered here, you'd have at least taken some profit, or at worst case scenario, you'd have broken even. Because this signal was live up to this point as well. So even if you missed this, or you were taking out as the market was ranging as well, you still had a signal. It was still live. It was a re-entry here. You can see there's a confluence here. There's a sell re-entry. There's this one is red. This indicator, the first confirmation indicator, is red, second indication is red, and then the Williams R is in the 20 is in the 80 sell region. So if you had entered here too, you'd have gotten all of all of this. That's about 100 pips. Now this is just recently. This is a live market. This is just recently. So you can back test to see that, although of course we are trend traders, so our strategy works best in trending markets, but our system will still keep you out of ranging markets. Like here, see, it was not in any region, so you do not have done anything here. There was a brief buy, but even if you remember to always use risk management, but even if you maybe bought here and it didn't get to your take profit, obviously always risk small. I recommend not risking more than 25 pips per trade. So let's say you even risked 25 pips in this trade, more or less. Let's say you risked 25 pips and then you are stopped out. It immediately gave you a sell entry here, and with money management you'd have recovered and been in profit net wise. So we use a trend following system here, so it gets you in very good trends. Gets you in very good trends. If you had entered here, this is about it's about 250 pips, guys. So the BuySell Magic is all you need basically to trade forex profitably. Remember your risk management and money management as well, but it will help you if you're looking for entries. And the best part about this system is you're only looking for a specific thing, so you do your analysis in seconds. Basically, you just check to see if you have an alignment in your trading condition. If you don't, you move on. Then you can, and this saves you a lot of time. You don't need to spend a lot of time in analysis, and then you can obviously trade multiple currency pairs as well. You can trade multiple currency pairs, like you've seen all of here. You can trade multiple currency pairs, so it saves you time. You can make your analysis in seconds, basically. So this is basically all you need to trade the forex profitably. It works in multiple time frames, whether you are an intraday trader. I prefer the 4 hours for stability, but you can trade any time frame. Lower time frames have more fake outs and more false signals. So but you can actually use it. And I recommend not going below 15 minutes, but even in 5 minutes you will still find you still find that it works very well. It works very well. So That's it, guys. That's it. And then as an extra, you have these math lines to show you points of possible reversal. At the background, if you can see this top trading edge, bottom trading edge, you can see how price reacted to these lines. So these are lines you might want to pay attention to. The red lines cause more reaction to the market prices, but anything that rocks your boat, you know how best to trade, just for guidance as well. So I hope you enjoyed this, and I can guarantee that once you have this trading system, basically 90% of your problems in forex are solved. Any or your entry and exit problems are definitely solved. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you found this very valuable. If there are updates, you will be made known, and we look forward to working with you in the future as well. If you like this video, make sure to comment, purchase the system, enjoy yourself, and more pips to your bank account, I guess.